Hi guys, Captain Starlight here. We are going to do an unboxing of some sweet toys. I love toys. I get so excited when we get new toys. And here is not just any toys, it's a box of wooden adventure set, which means we can go adventuring with all of the stuff we find in this box. So let's get it open. Box is open.
The unboxing has begun.
We have begun to unbox. Alright, we're gonna unbox one at a time. I'm too excited. This is the best. First of all, cardboard! I love cardboard, that's not the toy, but it would make a good hat.
Ooh.
Okay. Thing number one. It's in a bag. I gotta unwrap it. It's an unboxing and an unwrapping video. Oh my gosh. We're getting ready for Christmas, can you tell? Alright, hang on. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. It is a net bag and a ladybird compass. That means we can go orienteering and we would always know which way was north, which apparently right now is that way. I mean, we have flown down to the Northern Territory, so I think everything's north here, but we can be sure. Okay, next thing. Okay, I've got binoculars! Ah! You guys look so close even though you're so far away. These are the best! Oh my gosh, okay, binoculars. And then what else have we got here? Oh my gosh, little bug friends! Okay, we have 3 little bug friends, a Christmas beetle or maybe a stink beetle. I mean, I wouldn't call it that in space, obviously. A ladybird and a little buzzy bumblebee. Cool! So they can go hang out with us when we're doing adventures and they can live inside this little bag. Like we've caught them on our adventures, like we're documenting bugs. That's a pretty cool job. Okay, alright, what else in here? Ooh, this is a big one. It's a canteen so that you can stay hydrated on your adventures. It goes over your head like this, and then you can just be like, H2O. Like that. Oh my gosh, okay, alright. So you can be as hydrated as you need to. This is the best. Okay, and then.
I thought it was a Walkman.
Alright, okay. And this one, finally, the last thing in the box. Okay, a whistle. Richard to make noise, this is the best day ever. Okay. It's like one of those whistle lollipops, but better. Okay, one of those. And then also, okay, this is a tiny magnifying glass so that if you were to find a bug in the wild.
Is that earlier?
No, I'm sorry, stink beetle. Okay, find a bug. Get your magnifying glass and look at it, and you can see how big everything on the bug is, like how big his butt is. That's so cool. Guys, that is my little adventure set unboxing video. I don't even know what adventures I'm going to go on. I'm going to take my bug friends. We're going to look at things that are far away and then look at them close up, which is going to be like totally sick. I'm so excited. If you have any ideas for adventures that Captain Starlight could go on with all this cool stuff, let your local Captain Starlight know, because they would love to know all about it. Thank you so much for watching. Captain Starlight out. Have a good day.